Ano po, yun ma, happy birthday sa'yo, happy 50th birthday, and we've been through with something sa lahat ng buhay natin. Like may mga ups and downs tayo sa buhay and something, but still, we're still here, kahit wala si nanay, di ba? We're still here, we're still doing our best to live every day. So, sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo, and yep, you don't have to worry about something kasi araw mo to. No. Mm. Si mama, like ano siya eh, like he is thinking something, parang she thinks two step ahead. Like parang tinitignan niya talaga na kung ano yung magiging outcome. Kung sakali sabihin kong, ay ma, gusto ko tong ganito or yung ganyan. Like naiisip niya agad kung ano yung magiging outcome nung mangyayari. But at the same time, syempre, I do acknowledge na yung mga sinasabi ni mama sa akin because, mothers knows best.